Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the traffic warning signs in Dubai.
Advanced warning signs help in alerting road users to potentially hazardous conditions in advance. This sign shows traffic signal is ahead, so we need to take care. When we go ahead, we will get traffic signal. This sign shows that roundabout is ahead. We need to decide the direction to move prior to entering the roundabout. This is a roundabout. We need to put proper indicators when going through roundabout. It shows junction is ahead and traffic merges from right side, so we need to keep this in mind. It shows that traffic merges from the left side. We need to keep this in mind. This sign shows that T Junction is ahead. When going ahead, we will see T Junction. This sign shows that side road from right is ahead. We can see road coming from right when we travel ahead. This sign shows that intersection is ahead. We can see the intersection. Here, curve in the road to the right is ahead. Here, curve in the road to the left is ahead. Several bends are ahead in this location. This sign shows that no through road is there. We can take a U-turn. Here, road narrow on left is ahead. Need to take care. This sign shows two-way traffic is ahead. This is two-way traffic which allows to and fro movement of vehicles. This sign shows that right lane is ending ahead. So we need to move to the other lane safely with the use of proper indicator. This sign shows that left lane is ending ahead. So we need to move to the other lane safely with the use of proper indicator. This sign indicates that U-turn is ahead of our way, so vehicle can take U-turn. In some U-turns, heavy vehicles are not allowed, which will be specified like this. This sign shows that speed hump is ahead, so we need to reduce speed. This sign shows that pedestrian crossing is ahead. Pedestrians have priority there. Here, pedestrian walking is provided along with speed hump. Vehicles need to stop and give way to the pedestrians. This sign shows that steep slope downward is ahead. This sign tells us that high voltage overhead line is ahead. Its vertical clearance is also mentioned. Care should be taken when going below this. In this location, there is risk of falling rocks, so staying or parking is risky here. This sign shows us that river bank is ahead, so be careful. This sign shows that people are walking ahead, so we need to expect people on vehicle movement there. For walks near road, special safety measures are to be taken. This sign shows that children or school area is ahead. We need to expect the movement of children. This shows that tram or railway crossing is there on the left. This sign shows that tram is ahead. Do not stop on tracks. Utmost care is taken for the signals in this area. This shows that stop sign is ahead. We need to stop before proceeding. Here, animal area is ahead. We need to expect the animal movement here. This sign shows that tunnel is ahead. We need to follow the instructions while entering the tunnel.
The hazard marker signs helps to know about the physical hazards and helps to avoid those hazards. These are single chevron showing the direction of traffic towards right. This shows towards left. This is double chevron towards left. These are multiple chevron showing the direction of traffic towards right. This multiple chevron shows direction towards left. These are hazard marker plates which tells us about the diversion. This is T Junction chevron which warns us about the ending of lane and gives direction for the diversion. This marker sign shows us that there is a single tram line crossing over the road. This marker sign shows us that there is a double tram line crossing over the road.
Diagrammatic warning signs are used where triangular advance signs are not big enough to draw attention to their hazard sign. They are mostly on high-speed roads. This sign shows that lane use is controlled here. Here straight road prohibits truck. This is because of the metro station bridge ahead. This sign shows that additional lane is added. This sign shows that a traffic obstruction is ahead and lanes is ahead as shown. In this road, trucks are prohibited in some lanes as shown. Here trucks are prohibited in the U-turn lane. This sign shows that tram goes here in left direction. Pedestrians need to consider that and obey the signal. This sign shows that tram goes here in right direction. This marker sign shows that tram movement will be from both directions.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We will continue the remaining in the upcoming videos. Thank you.